But the Thai Tourism Authority, which is a government body, is promoting this misinformation. So I think they should correct that and give due recognition to the Asian workers.
What is the purpose of the project? Are you coming here, and what's the purpose for this year?
Okay. Actually, our purpose is to bring family members of the victims who built the railway. They never have an opportunity to come and see the place, because if they come on their own, they don't know where to go. So I was planning to bring them maybe sometime in December. But because now is the 75th anniversary of the completion of the railway, so I think it is good if we come now and in a way observe the commemoration. So it is a very important program. It is a historical program to document this 75th anniversary. We try to retrace the journey of our workers who were brought here. So we understand from some survivors that originally the workers were taken from various towns in Malaya and brought to the railway station, and they boarded the train. And at that time, it was not a passenger train, it's a goods train. They have to travel in open wagon, goods train. And there is at least a few people, about less than 10, about 5-6 people still alive who remember the journey by train. So when they described the thing, we decided to bring 2 of them. Last February when we came, from February 20th to 26th, we start the journey in the Kuala Lumpur railway station where that guy was boarded the train. We came all the way and we went back. So now at that point, those who missed that one, they have joined us on this trip. And there are many more who want to come, but they can't get leave. So maybe in 3 months' time, we will come again in December when you have the special event here. We will come again in December. So the primary aim of this trip is basically to tell the world that, you see, because there is no commemoration being held for this, except for the prisoner of war. For the Asian worker who died, there's no commemoration. Not by the Thais, not by the Indian government, not by the Malaysian government, or in fact, any government whose people work on the railway. No, they have totally forgotten. So we are trying to make a point. Governments may have forgotten, but the lay people who are affected by this, we have not forgotten. And the 6 Malaysians who come with me, actually, every one of them is affected. Either their grandfather or their father or their uncle, somebody is affected. Some came back alive, some did not come back. So everybody is affected. There are no tourists on this. We are all affected people who, for us, it is an emotional journey, it's an emotional trip.
So how is the feeling of the participants so far that you have been?
Well, you have to ask them, but most of them are relieved that at last they got a chance to come. Many want to come, and some are disappointed because when they come previously as a tourist group, they come and see the bridge and they see the museum, and there's no monument for the Indians who work on this project. And of course, they are very disappointed that there's nothing in Thailand to show that any Asian worker was on this. Everything is about the white man. Even the commemoration is for the white man. And even when the Thai government do the special program in December also, they make it look like only the white men work on the railway. Right? And then I also see some flyers produced by the Thailand Tourism Authority saying that we have special museum, and you call for the railway, and it's called the Jet Museum. And they say that this museum is named after the 6 countries who built the railway. That is Japan, England, Australia, Thailand, Holland. So they only mention this. That means other than Thailand, there are 5 other European countries. So all the Asian countries are forgotten. And this is, if you ask me, it is gross misrepresentation of the facts. Because the Asians who work on this railway far outnumber the Europeans or the Thais. The Thai form a very small number. The European, maybe 1/3 or 1/4 of the people. The 3/4 of them, you forget about them. And it's not a private enterprise. It's a private company that overlook it for commercial reason, I can understand. But the Thai Tourism Authority, which is a government body, is promoting this misinformation. So I think they should correct that and give due recognition to the Asian workers. So what I tell them is, if you can have a cemetery for these workers, the least you can do is have a proper monument for the Asian workers who helped.